Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if you can make money online by doing small, simple tasks? Today, we're diving into the world of microtasks and exploring websites that pay you for completing little jobs online. Let's get started. What are microtasks? First things first, what exactly are microtasks? Microtasks are small online jobs that typically take only a few minutes to complete. These tasks could be anything from filling out surveys, tagging images, doing data entry, testing websites, or even transcribing audio. The key is that they don't require much skill or time, but they do pay you for your effort. Top websites for microtasks. Let's talk about the best websites where you can start earning money by doing microtasks. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. This is one of the most popular microtask websites. You can earn by doing things like data categorization, transcription, and more. The pay is small per task, but it adds up over time. Clickworker. On Clickworker, you can find tasks like writing short articles, translating, and doing surveys. It's a great platform for those who want variety in their tasks. Appen offers microtasks related to AI and machine learning, such as data labeling and content moderation. They also offer flexible working hours, making it a good option for anyone with a busy schedule. Swagbucks. While Swagbucks is mainly known for surveys and cashback, it also offers other small tasks like watching videos or testing websites for points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. How much money can you really make? Now, let's address the big question. How much can you actually make doing microtasks? The answer varies, but here's what you can expect. Most tasks pay just a few cents to a couple of dollars. If you're really fast and efficient, you might make $5 to $10 an hour. Some tasks, like transcription or more specialized jobs, can pay more, up to $20 per hour or more. But remember, you'll need to do a lot of tasks to see significant earnings. Microtasks are a good way to earn a little extra cash on the side, but it's not likely to replace a full-time income. Pros and cons of doing microtasks. Like any side hustle, microtasks come with their pros and cons. Pros: flexibility. You can work from anywhere and anytime, making it perfect for people with busy schedules. Low entry barriers. No special skills are required, so even beginners can get started right away. Variety. There's a wide range of tasks available, so you're not stuck doing the same thing all day. Cons: low pay. As we mentioned, the pay per task can be very low. You'll need to complete many tasks to make significant money. Time-consuming. Some tasks are repetitive, and while they don't take long, they can be time-consuming to complete in large volumes. Inconsistent availability. There's no guarantee that high-paying tasks will always be available. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings when doing microtasks. Sign up for multiple sites. Don't limit yourself to one platform. The more sites you're on, the more tasks you'll have access to. Choose tasks wisely. Focus on tasks that pay more for the time invested. For example, transcription or content moderation might pay more than a simple survey. Stay organized. Keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and payments to stay efficient and avoid wasting time. So, can you make money doing microtasks? Yes, but it's more of a way to earn extra cash on the side rather than a full-time income. If you're looking for flexibility and don't mind the small payouts, microtasks can be a great way to make money in your spare time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time.